Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my super simple version of the bloom technique. So let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using the Primal Flow Premix Ready to Pour paints in Plum Perfect, Royal Violet, Cobalt Turquoise, Ink and Gold, and Titanium White. And I'm actually pouring on some resin coasters that didn't turn out. What I like to do with these is do an acrylic pour and then a clear resin top coat, and that will turn them back into coasters. So what I did, as you could see, was just flooded the entire thing with that Primal Flow Titanium White and gave it a tilt. I really like using the Primal Flow paints because they're super easy to use. You just have to shake the bottle and they're ready to pour, but be careful because they're slippery. As you can see, that one almost fell out of my hand. So I just make sure everything has a nice base layer, and then I go in with my colors and add some puddles. I'm going to do Cobalt Turquoise, Ink and Gold, Plum Perfect, and here I'm adding my cell activator, which is Amsterdam Titanium White acrylic paint, mixed 1 teaspoon paint to 2 3/4 tablespoons floetrol, and then I'm just going in with my lung power and kind of blowing that white over my colors, and you can see it really gives you some awesome cells and lacing. And you can get the Amsterdam paint off Amazon. I'll link it down below. So we're going to do a few more of these. This one I did mostly Plum Perfect, and it turned out really pretty. And with these guys, as they sit, the cells and lacing will really start to develop more. You just have to leave them be and let them sit. I know it's kind of hard to do, but you'll see. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Right now they look totally different than how they look after you let them sit for about 10 minutes. And same color combination as the first one on this one. I'm going to go in with the Cobalt Turquoise, Ink and Gold, Plum Perfect, and then my cell activator. And you don't want to blow super hard when you're doing this. You don't want to blow down because that's going to cause your cell activator to kind of bottom out. You want to blow that over your colors. So you're kind of blowing down and out. And that's it. I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. This is the first one that we did, but check it out. See how cool that lacing is. Here's the second one. That ink and gold is just so beautiful and metallic. I'll show you guys when it dries, when these are all dry, how beautiful that ink and gold is. And what I'm going to do is let these guys dry for about a week and then hit them with a few coats of this Rust-Oleum Gloss Clear Spray. I really like to use this on my acrylic pours. It makes them really nice and shiny. And here they are. You can see that beautiful shine from the ink and gold metallic. I really love using the Primal Flow paints for this technique because they're the perfect consistency, and all you need is paint and then the Amsterdam white for the cell activator. I'll be sure to link all Primal Flow paints information down below in the description box, and the Amsterdam Titanium White acrylic paint as well. Let me know what you guys think of these down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. And if you did, go ahead and leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys on Friday for another video. Bye.